Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to unboxing EquaCheck instant glucose meter or sugar machine. So here is some key features: provide accuracy, wireless app connectivity, test strip ejector, target range indicator. So let's unbox this. And here is our test strips. And here is a pouch. So in the pouch I have got this sugar meter and lancing device, and here is a 10 lancet. So the meter quality is good, made with high plastic, and here is a up and down buttons, and here is a micro USB port, and this is testing strip ejector, and here is a battery, and here is a big size display, and here is a target range indicator. So press and hold up button to on the meter. This is on, you can see. And it is in white color. So how to use, I will show you. So first you have to on the meter and take one test strip and insert the test strip like this, and take one lancet, open like this, and open the cap of lancing and insert like this, and after inserting, insert the cap like this and press this button like this, and press this button and keep it down the finger like this. It is work. Remove like this blood and touch like this, and it will show your sugar level. And do this carefully and remove strips. You can connect with your mobile phone also. This meter, this is Bluetooth. So I will show in the next video how to connect. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.